Hey family foodies! If you like crab cakes, you're going to love this recipe. So let's make it major. For where two or more are gathered in my name, there am I with them. Matthew 18:20. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. First, grab your mixing bowl and add in a half a cup of mayonnaise. Then add 1 tablespoon of spicy mustard, a half a cup of plain panko, a tablespoon of W sauce, a half a red bell pepper, 1 jalapeno pepper, and some red onions. Add in 1 beaten large egg and a big splash of lemon juice. Now, if you're feeling a little zesty, you can add in some lemon zest. Now it's time to add in our spices. We're going to use a half a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, garlic powder, Kinder's lemon butter garlic. I love this seasoning. Old Bay seasoning, and 1 tablespoon of dried or fresh parsley. Mix everything together very well until incorporated. Your mixture should look something like this. Now we're going to fold in our lump crab meat and we're going to form our little crabby patties. Now we're going to refrigerate our patties for at least 20 to 30 minutes so they will firm up and not break apart in our skillet. After crab cakes are chilled, warm up your skillet with some avocado oil and 1 tablespoon of Kerrygold butter. Now add your patties in the skillet on medium heat and cook until nice and golden brown for at least 3 minutes on each side. I sprinkled a little bit of sweet paprika on top because I like my patties brown. Once brown, flip them over and cook for additional 3 minutes. Once your crab cakes are beautifully brown, remove them from the skillet and serve immediately. I like my crab cakes with some tartar sauce or some sweet chili sauce. I didn't have any tartar sauce, but I had some sweet chili sauce, so I'm gonna slather some sauce all over my crab cakes. These crab cakes are delicious. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode, family. Now, if you're still hungry, like I know you are, check out this next video. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks again for watching. God bless you guys, and I will see you again real soon next time on Everything's Major. Bye! Thank you guys for watching. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Take care and God bless. And everything you do, make sure it's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major.